whole numbers. Please copy down this cute little diagram. Just for me, thanks. Because the way you multiply fractions and whole numbers as well, like can be mixed together, is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And whenever this number times this number is on top, you do this number times this number on bottom, and it actually gives you the right value. It's so great. It's like a shortcut trick. Works every time. So all we have to do is practice. Here we go. Ready? 1/4 times 3/5. Well, I don't know. I don't think I can do. Yes, you can. Top times top. Bottom times bottom. Boom. This one. Top times top. Uh-oh. Well, which one's the top, which one's the bottom? I mean, the rule is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, or you're not doing it right. So what are we going to do with 5 whole? Yeah, if we write 5 over 1, we've given it a denominator because 5 divided by 1 is 5. It's still 5, but if you put any number, any whole number over 1, 1 goes into 5 5 times, so it's just like the original number. But it gives a numerator and a denominator, so we can follow the rule. Now we just multiply straight across. Top times top, bottom times bottom. All right, so whenever you get an answer like this, I would like for you to, 15/7 is correct, but I would like for you to simplify it, put it in, I don't know what you call it, mixed. Don't leave it as improper. All right, so let's divide 7 into 15. Goes twice for 14 with 1 left over. That remainder is just one little piece of sevenths because we're dividing by 7. So there's your final answer, in my opinion. That's how I would like for you to do it. And then one more, 1/5 times 15. So you put 15 over 1, and 1 times 15 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 15 divided by 5. So this is a great answer, 15/5. It's correct. But simply, let's make it simpler for everyone. I don't want to say, oh, I have 15/5 dollars. It doesn't even make sense to me. But 15 divided by 5 is 3. I have $3. That makes sense to me. Okay, there's something else I want to add to this lesson. Since it was so simple, let me add a little bit more of something that I can show you. All right. This picture right here, let's see, you have room down here. I don't quite have any room, so I'm going to put it right here. I'd like to draw you a picture to me of what 1/5 times 15 looks like. Because another way to say times is this. Like, okay, I want to take 1/5 of 15, so I need to divide 15 into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll let these lines be my little fifths. Look, that's a bar, one whole bar, and I've divided it into 5 equal parts. And if I'm going to cut this 15, right, into 5 equal parts, then how much is in each part? 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I need, there's 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is the whole thing of 15. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 1/5 of that. Because 1/5 times that means up. So like this is 1/5, this is 1/5 of 15, this is 1/5 of 15, this is 1/5, and this is 1/5, right? For 5/5. So 1/5 is 3. Well, isn't that what we got? So I just said 1/5 of the whole 15 is 3, and 1/5 times 15 is 3. So another word I can put here is of. 1/5 of 15 is 3. I drew you a picture. So I wanted to show you something that's just so cool. Another way to say a fraction times a fraction is use the word of. Because you're taking a piece or a part. I'm taking 1/5 of this whole. 1/5 of 15 is 3. Just a piece of it. Just a little chunk of the 15. All right, so another way, I just want you to know that another way you can write this is 1/4 of 3/5. That also equals 3/20. Write this with me. 3/7 of 5 is 2 1/7. And we already decided that 1/5 of 15 equals 3. So the point I'm trying to make here on this very easy lesson of multiplying fractions and whole numbers, we added that in there, put that in there, is because in mathematics, the word of means to multiply. Write that down here as big as you can. Star it. In mathematics, of, just the word of, means to, you got it, multiply. And I tried to just prove that to you right here using these fractions. And if you don't believe me, you can go look on page 65 in your book. It's written there too. Now, last thing I want to leave you with is I didn't say out of. That's something else. 3 out of 5 is division. 3 out of 5 is division. Okay? I just simply said the word of. So, 1/5 of 15. That, in this case, of by itself